Got another unboxing for you. Today we're looking at the Baryer Brothers E59 Mark III Delta Black Superior Edition drone. Just by looking at the box, you cannot tell that there is a drone inside, but there it is on the back side. You can see how it looks like. 4K camera. It's got smart return, GPS smart return, which is very important. Obstacle avoidance, another thing that's very important. 5G transmission and a following mode. To go and check this out, but first let's start with the unboxing. Okay, let's see how this thing looks. I had a feeling it was all going to be inside a case because that's how most drones come in. Move that out and let's see how we can take this apart. Like this is the top way. Here we go. Very small drone, nice case. It looks like it's got everything that you need in it. Let's take this off, get a look at it. Now we gotta open it up. Oh, that's really stuck on. I guess I'm gonna have to take the back off. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming off. So here's the drone itself, quadcopter. Pull that out, see the size. It's a decent size. Let's take a look at the camera. There it is, 4K camera right there in the front. I'll put that aside. Let's take a look at the controller because you're going to have to dock your smartphone onto here. Very simple controller. Okay, what else do we have? This is called mobile scanning obstacle avoidance. Interesting. I think we're gonna have to take a look at this right now. It's like an actual piece of hardware that does that. Oh, it's like another camera almost. Okay. This is for the smartphone. So I'm assuming this goes right in the front. Yeah. So we just pull this back, drop it like it's hot. And then what is this? This looks like the battery charger. Very cool, folks. So everything you need in this case is right here. I'm going to have to take this outside. Got a tough job. Going to have to set this up, play around, get some footage, and check out all of the features. So you'll definitely want to check it out. Again, it's the Baryer Brothers E59 Mark III Delta Black 4K drone. Ages 14 and up, so I should be able to fly this. I'm not like a super drone operator or anything like that. So if I can fly it, a 14-year-old can definitely fly it. So that concludes the unboxing. Make sure you like, subscribe, and definitely check out the actual review of this drone from the Baryer Brothers. And we'll see you again. Handy Andy, signing out.